Hello, my friends and fellow entrepreneurs. This is Mark Gray, and this is not my usual kind of video, but I'm pretty excited about this. Now, this is basically just an unboxing, a quick unboxing of the Blue Yeti. Now, I did start to open it, and then I thought, why not record it? So I've got like as far as starting to pull this up. So let's finish with it. Now, this is, like I said, the Blue Yeti original microphone. Now, this was first released in 2009, I believe, and it was bought for the company Blue Yeti was bought for, I think, 117 or 119 million by Logitech. So that was in 2019, I believe. So anyway, yeah, I ordered this on Amazon because locally here I just can't get anything decent. I live in a little island off like the coast of off the coast of Croatia. So I'm in Croatia, but it's like a small island. Even in Croatia, trying to get a microphone of this quality is just impossible. I ordered a couple of ones from like places that I could, and they were all absolutely terrible. Even the one USB mic that I got. That's another thing to note with this Blue Yeti microphone is that it is a USB microphone. Okay. Now at the moment I am using a Blue Yeti Nano. Okay. I have to say this is a fantastic little microphone, and it's very close in price to this, which I paid $104, no, sorry, €104 for, from Amazon, because like I said, you just can't get this kind of stuff in the country. So I'm pretty excited to open it, so let's just get into it. Right now, the reason that I didn't buy this one in the first place was because I had been using, you know, I had been using originally just the Logitech Streamcam that that I'm looking at you through right now, and this for me the sound was fine because I was just doing simple review videos for my website mainly. So okay, something falling down here. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. Now let me get this. So this is just the USB. So USB to okay, I need to turn this around. I didn't even notice that there. Okay, cool. So oh wow, it really is like big compared to the Yeti Nano. Real difference in size. Guess I need to tighten this up a bit. Now I was thinking of just like for a change to get a I think you call it a boom arm. I could be wrong. I just call it like a metal arm that the kind that people have. You can very well use the Blue Yeti, whether it's the Nano or the larger version with that, because they both have at the bottom. Just show you that they have like this part here, and it's like a standard screw, so you can it's like a, what's the word, yeah, it's something that all of these boom arms will come with, and you can just take it off of the stand and then put like screw it on, and then you can move the arm around. I thought about that idea, and then I was like, nah, I don't really want that like in my face all the time. So I wanted one that was like would be standing, and also as well, the Nano is not broken at all. It's still in fantastic condition. It's just I need something that maybe has a bit more range, so that I can go back a little bit and talk. Yeah, and also it's just nice to get a new toy, isn't it? So yeah, I mean this is absolutely beautiful. I have to say, like it's really really lovely. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, right. So we've got four buttons or knobs on it all together. We have the mute button here at the front. Okay. We have the volume button, which is pretty cool. Now, the I'll do a review on the Yeti Nano because that deserves its own video. It really is a fantastic microphone if you're stuck for space. Now I don't know what I know what I was thinking. I was thinking I don't want all these buttons. They look complicated. I'll just get the simple version. But I should have just went with this in the first place. So yeah, I went with the color black. It comes in blue, silver, I believe pink now as well, and what else? Blue, silver, pink, maybe one other color, but I went with black. So we have here like four different options. Now, right now, my little Nano, Yeti Nano, Blue Yeti Nano, is on what do you call that one again? When it picks up sound, yeah, it's on omnidirectional, which means that it picks up as much sound from over here as it does from over here, or even if I was to turn this around and speak like this, it's still picking up the volume from all directions, which is what I always have it on. And I'll have this on the same. Then you have I'm gonna just sneak a peek here because I always forget. Then you have the cardioid mode, which I I should have googled that sooner for the Yeti Nano, let's say, and that is when you speak and it's like only the front is bringing. You're only able to speak, and the microphone only picks up from this kind of range from the front. Okay, now it took me a while to figure that out, if I'm honest, when I first got this Blue Yeti Nano. Um, Now that's something. If I was you, I would just keep it omnidirectional, but you might want to play around with it. Also, as well, these are new settings that I have not used before. So the figure eight one is stereo mode. So that uses both the left and the right channels to capture a wide, realistic sound image. Yes, I am reading from there, but I don't even know what that means. I mean, I would ignore that one, honestly. Bi-directional mode sounds pretty cool, but I'd still go with just omnidirectional for this. The bi-directional mode is it's basically if you're sitting talking to somebody and you're doing an interview, so you can turn it to that mode, and then you're getting the sound from here, and they're getting the sound from that way. So I mean, why not just keep it as omnidirectional? I don't know. Maybe if there's noise in the background to the sides, would make no sense for me. You have, of course, the mute, like I said, and the volume. You have the beautiful stand, and you know what? It's just like like I said, I bought a couple of, actually three crappy microphones before before buying the Yeti Nano, because I just wanted to get them locally. Now I had to wait almost 4 weeks for this to be delivered because of where I am. I am in Croatia on a small island, so it's very hard to get things delivered here. And believe it or not, you cannot buy one of these in the whole of Croatia, which amazes me. So I had to get it from Germany, sent by Amazon. What else to tell you about this? Now, it has a button on the back, which I'm not 100% sure about, just going to be honest. It says gain, which I'm thinking has to do with probably something to do with the sound. I would imagine. I'll Google that tomorrow. Like I said, I was just in the middle of opening this anyway, and I thought, why not make a video? Again, you have the wire, comes with instructions as well, but let me tell you, from setting the a lot of people use headphones actually, and I think that the headphones are useful when I don't know. I don't. Oh yeah, sorry. There's a headphone jack under here. That's interesting. I never use headphones. I think they're absolutely pointless. Having headphones on when you can just talk. So underneath here, you can see there. Sorry, let me get it. So here's where the USB would go. Oh, sorry, the USB C or whatever it's called. I hope I'm right. And then you have the microphone head jack here, and yeah, And guys, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video about this. I'll probably do like another video on the Blue Yeti Nano because it served me well for 5, 6 years, something like that. Before I got this, you know, I tried some other crappy microphones, and then, you know, and before that I was using the speaker from this. The other thing I know about this is it can be used, actually, I believe that you can use it as a speaker, which is quite interesting. So I'll test that out tomorrow, and I'll maybe make another video on it. But I just wanted to give you a quick, you know, first impression of unboxing it. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty sexy, if I'm honest. Like when I look at that, I'm like, that's badass, you know. Now don't get me wrong. When I got the Blue Yeti Nano, I probably said the same thing. You know, I was like, oh, that's badass. But this, bigger, stronger, heavier, harder to knock over, you know, more options, even though I'll probably use the same settings that I do on my little Blue Yeti Nano. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and of course leave a comment. You know, if you think that Blue Yeti are shit, tell me. Let me know what you use, because I'm genuinely interested. Or if you use the Blue Yeti yourself, let me know which one. And yeah, I'm happy to, you know, have a conversation. So thanks for watching, guys. I think that's everything. We have the wire, we have the microphone, we have the instructions. And it's a thing of beauty. It truly is. So yeah. All right, guys. I'll put a link below. What probably won't be. It won't be an affiliate link. Probably it'll just be a link to Amazon because I'm not an Amazon affiliate. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video.